Namaste and a very warm welcome to Women of Wonder by Reema Mahajan, or Wow Women as we lovingly call it. This is our initiative to bring to you stories of empowered and ambitious women so that we can all take inspiration from them. My guest today helps setting up businesses smoothly and efficiently. She is none other than Miss Shivani Goel, who is a chartered accountant from USA, Singapore and UAE. Welcome to the show, Shivani.
Thank you so much.
Great. My first question is, why did you start Elimite?
Especially now with UAE going through a new regime. More skilled people are required to guide the entrepreneurs in the right direction.
If somebody wants to set up a business, where do they start? How do they think about it?
I would say follow a 3-step approach. Think of the business activities which you want to do. Dubai has or UAE has more than 4,000 activities to choose from. So once you're clear on what you want to do, you consult an expert and they will guide you as to how to choose it, which zone you should go into, and then finally the step of taking a license. So it's really a 3-pronged approach: consulting, then after that identifying which zone you want to be, and then going and getting the license.
What is this corporate tax?
Like I said, there's a new regime happening here, and that is why it has become even more important to choose wisely. So for example, there are many reliefs, there are many concessions, there are some zones in which there certain things are taxed at 0. So you should really know where to go. It's no longer that you can just pick and choose whatever is the cheapest option. It's what is right for you in the long run is where you should go.
Great. And I have one more question. You know, a lot of people are working full-time. But they always have this idea, this passion, this side hustle they want to start. What is your advice to them?
So, to all the working professionals, please go ahead and do what you want to do. Do it the right way. Take a license. If you do not want a visa, the license costs, starting from 5,500. There are many free zones which don't even ask you for an NOC. So, just go for it, but do it the right way.
Absolutely. Do it the right way and do it. And for that, you should consult a proper business consultant who knows the ins and outs of different free zones and mainlands. Okay. Now, your company helps us set up businesses. Can you walk us through the process, how it works, how the whole thing works?
So, first, like I said, you do go through a process of consultation. Then depending on what you do, you choose your activities, go to the right zone. That is followed by licensing. After that, your visas, registration for corporate taxes, and VAT if applicable. So that's how, my company is involved right from the consultation till the end, till the time you're settled and you have your license and visas and you're completely up and running.
Great. I know you have a lot of clients. You provide end-to-end services for different clients, right? Can you just tell us a little bit more about your current clients, your database?
Companies, family offices, basically anyone who wants to set up a business, whether they're branch, they're foreign companies. And we provide end-to-end services, including compliance and management.
Wonderful. So guys, if you are looking to set up your own business, I think you should reach out to Elimite. Shivani, what is the budget I should be looking for when I apply for a business license, right? Sasta is good. Is Sasta always good?
No, Sasta is not always good, because when you look at Sasta, please don't look at the license cost alone. Look at, which corporate tax you're falling into, how you should structure. If you have 5, all free zones offer 5, 7 activities now. See what you really need, because that has an impact on corporate tax and many other things. So what appears cheap may not be cheap. So just be careful on what you choose.
Wonderful. It's been lovely talking to you.
Thank you so much.
What appears cheap might not be cheap. So it's always better that you consult a proper business consultant when you set up your own new business. With that, we hope many more dreams come to life. And if you like this podcast, please like and subscribe to our channel. And we'll be back with another episode with Shivani very, very soon.
Thank you so much.